Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to control sensitive content on the Instagram. So if you don't want to see the offensive content on the Instagram, so you can simply control it. Now Instagram give this feature how you can use it. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, click on the profile icon on the right bottom, and once you will do it, you will see your profile is here. So you have to click on the three lines on the right top and go to the settings from here. And once you will here, now you have to click on the account, click on it. Once you will click on it, here you will see different option. Also you will see sensitive content control option, click on it, and here you will see three options. So first, allow. You may see more photos or videos that could be upsetting or the offensive, and if you limit it, you may see some photos or videos that could be upsetting or offensive. Content in Explore has always been filtered at this level. Or limit even more, you may see fewer photos or the videos that could be upsetting or the offensive. So you have to select limit even more and click on the OK. Now you will not see any offensive or upsetting content on the Instagram. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.